Hey guys, Dennis Foster here from Foster's Yacht Services, and we're on our boat from January with the re-lamination and recoring we're doing on this 106-foot MEGA-YACHT. And we've been on this about 6 months already. You can kind of see here we're on our last completion schedule for the end of the core. So what we've done is we've cut out all the bad core back to the inner skin. We've cleaned that up and prepped and put a laminating bonding layer there, and then we vacuum bagged in the new core and put our last 4 to 6 layers over the entire bottom. And we're finishing up the aft running gear area here, and you can see the guys are really working, cutting, measuring core, and getting ready to vacuum bag all of the core up right now. So we're almost on our completion age right here. And if you look right here, this has all been done. This is what it looks like when the fiberglass is all finished up here and then sanded, ready for us to do our bodywork and fairing. And then that's what it looks like when you're cutting out the core and it's all full of water and delaminated and moisture and humidity. So once we take all of that off and put it all back, it looks brand new, and the guy will be able to get back on the water and enjoy his boat after a lengthy 7-month refit.